Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI USA. These videos have been designed to help you get your aircraft in the air in a safe and practical manner. In this video, we'll talk about what comes with the ANAFI USA system. It's important to note that the ANAFI USA can come in one of three different configurations. The ANAFI USA featuring the Sky Controller 3, the ANAFI USA Gov featuring the Sky Controller USA, and the ANAFI USA Mil, which has been created specifically for military clients. We will talk more about these configurations later. The ANAFI USA system includes the ANAFI USA featuring a 21 megapixel telephoto lens, a 21 megapixel wide-angle lens, and the FLIR Boson 4.3mm lens. The system also includes 3 smart batteries providing over an hour and a half of flight time, the Parrot Sky Controller 3, a tablet holder for the Sky Controller 3, a multi-port fast USB charger which can charge all the batteries and the Sky Controller 3 at the same time, 4 USB-A to USB-C cables for said charging, 1 additional set of propeller blades, and of course, the hard case. The ANAFI USA Gov features all the same items as the ANAFI USA with the exception of the remote controller. For the ANAFI USA Gov, Parrot has included the Sky Controller USA for an even more exceptional user experience. The Sky Controller USA means the system meets all standards to be TAA and NDAA compliant. The ANAFI USA Mil features all the same products as the ANAFI USA Gov with the addition to operate on a 1.8 GHz micro-hard military radio. Let's talk about some of the highlights of the system. Manufactured in Boston, Massachusetts, the ANAFI USA boasts a flight time of 32 minutes. An IP53 rating allowing users to operate in multiple weather situations. A security-obsessed system that sends no data to Parrot or anyone else. Digitally signed firmware to prevent malicious modifications of the drone's software. Digital, stabilized, precise 32 times zoom able to detect a person at 1.2 miles. A 180-degree tilt sensor suite. A drone that can be launched in under 55 seconds. No GPS sync required, allowing for indoor and outdoor operations. Absolutely no geofencing limitations built into the system. A super quiet 83.9 decibel sound to ensure the system can fly undetected. An open source SDK that allows for a software ecosystem designed to fit your specific needs. These are just some of the great features of the ANAFI USA. Thanks for tuning into Parrot's training videos, and tune into our next video to find out about charging, the Free Flight 6 download, and My Parrot.